Hey everyone, this is my entry for 2td's lockpicking competition. The lock I'm going to be picking is this Yale Y210. I'm going to gut this as well. I've put some pretty special pins into this to make it a lot harder. This is the bit on the key for it. It's the original key. All standard key pins in it. That's it working with the key. But the new drivers that I've put into this thing, well, you'll see. Alright, so Peterson short hook is what I'm going to be using for it. This will take a minute, so bear with me. I've practiced on this a little bit, and I can tell you that it is extremely tricky. Can't actually tell the difference between a false set and a real one until right at the very end. So that's pretty much just trial and error at the minute. Okay, I've got a nice big false set now, so we're nearly open. Somebody's coming down the stairs. Hello. Last pin, I think. That'll be us. There we go, that's it open. So now, I'll take it apart for you. Try and keep everything in shot. So that's the core, and I'm going to lock it back up with the key, pop that in there. I'm just going to take off the cap at the top just to keep things quick. Okay, so I don't really know exactly what way I'm going to do this, so bear with me. Because some of these drivers, the springs actually sit inside them. So I'll do it like this, or not. Alright, never mind, I'll just do 5, 4, 3, 2, oh, this is very fidgety. Oops. Just pin 1, or spring 1 even. Okay, now we can actually get to the proper stuff. There's pin 5. It's a spool. Fucking thing. Sorry about this. There's 4 is the same kind of spool pin. 3 is a really nasty serrated one. 2 is another spool, and pin 1 again serrated. These are out of an ASSA twin, so these are actually sidebar pins, but the amount of false sets you get with these is crazy, and if you get hooked up on the one in the middle, very tricky indeed. And they're all just normal key pins, so I'll just dump those out and let you see those. Just standard key pins there. I'm going to dump the key pins away out of the way, and I'll zoom in a wee bit, let you see these. See if I've got a light here. I did have a light. Fuck. Yeah, there we go. Right. Not very well organised. There you go. That's the driver pins there. Okay. That was a bit of a long video. So if you are still watching, cheers, and thanks to 2td for the idea. It's a good idea to have these wee competitions. So I'm looking forward to seeing everybody else's stuff, and good luck to everybody as well. Cheers.